Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and this is the page for Prime. And when you join Prime, this is what happened. What you get. You see, it says here, get an Echo Dot third generation for $10 when you join Prime. This is a premier um, account on on Amazon. So Amazon is Prime is Amazon, which you get, and you get free delivery on everything. So start your first 30-day free trial there. And then you've got, you see, like I said, fast free delivery on millions of items. Exclusive to Amazon Originals, and there's some other free games, music, Prime members, and read for free. You see, so go to the top again. So this is what you have when you join Prime. Um, it's you get the benefits of Prime. So and it starts with a free trial. So that's the first thing. So Um, yeah, that's how this goes with a free trial, and you get this third generation dot as a result of taking them up on the free trial. All right, so if you're buying off Amazon all the time, this is probably a good deal actually to do this because you're going to save on freight. That's for sure, no doubt about that one, and on any other things that you buy. So from Amazon. I mean, they are the world's trusted site, e-commerce site. They are, and there's no doubt about that. Everybody trusts them. Um, they're well known, so it's not. They are the premier site online. That's for buying anything. And this is what you people trust. So, all right. So with that, I'll say, well, thank you for watching, and get your uh, um, Prime membership. If you're going to be buying from Amazon all the time. Okay, and bye, and I'll see you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.